Ms. Rahayu Mahzam.
"2020 was a challenging year for many, and the legal sector was not spared the effects of the pandemic. In particular, when the circuit breaker was implemented, lawyers had to quickly adjust and adapt to work from home, make alternative arrangements to meet and communicate with clients, and learn to have court sessions online. The sector had to quickly adapt and accelerate the adoption of technology. The development of technology in legal practice has been in the horizons for some time now, but the pandemic obviously gave a hard nudge to the sector and hastened the progress. This did not just mean that lawyers had to learn new skills to manage their practice with new technology. It also meant that they had to contend with potential competition with the advent of artificial intelligence and the development of online platforms for laypersons, which inevitably meant less dependence on lawyers. To be clear, I'm not suggesting that we should not allow for these developments, just so as to preserve the lawyer's relevance in society. I believe these advancements are important and necessary, and we should always look at platforms and opportunities to make the law accessible to the public. However, lawyers from small and medium-sized firms may face more challenges than others in pivoting and developing their practice into one that is relevant with the times and to seize opportunities in areas of growth. My question is therefore, how can the ministry help lawyers from small and medium-sized firms stay relevant and continue to thrive in the changing legal landscape? I believe that there are two areas which the ministry could look into. One, the support for adoption of technology, and two, training and development programs that could empower lawyers from these firms by building substantive knowledge on different fields where there is potential growth. At the opening of legal year 2021, the President of the Law Society of Singapore, Senior Counsel Mr. Gregory Vijayendran, made reference to the dialogue with the Ministry of Law on a technology platform in the pipeline and the promising initiative of effectively plug-and-play technology solutions. May I ask for an update of this discussion? Could we enhance the support for technology adoption? Some of the adoption may require customization to suit the needs of the firm. It may take the lawyers some time to learn the platforms or standard solutions and some more time to build a customized solution for their setup. Lawyers from small and medium-sized firms may not have IT staff or teams to support them with this. Would it be possible to create an entity where such firms could avail themselves to technology consultancy services to help develop their IT infrastructure? In addition, would there be sustainable funding or grants to support these firms with the developments? On the second area, could we enhance the platforms available to the lawyers from the small and medium-sized firms to give them more exposure to new and developing fields of work? Aside from exposure, could there also be opportunities for lawyers from these firms to develop specialization and deep knowledge for a particular field so that they could potentially develop a boutique practice in a specific area of growth? Currently, lawyers are required to accumulate continuing professional development points and attend various training sessions. However, these sessions may not be sufficient to develop specialized skills. It may be helpful if the lawyers could be supported with a training and development program that could help them pivot and succeed in a new and growing field.